Royal Challenger Bangalore 2024 full squad. Virat Kohli, Faf du Plessis, Rajat Patidar, Anju Rawat, Suresh Prambodhosai, Will Jacks, Dinesh Karthik, Saurabh Chauhan, Akashdeep Singh, Mohammad Shiraz, Topley, Himanshu Sharma, Rajen Kumar, Vivek Vijay Kumar, Algieri Joseph, Yash Dayal, Lockie Ferguson, Gillian Maxwell, Maipar Lamlor, Karan Sharma, Manoj Bandage, Tom Curran, Cameron Green, Sampal Singh, Mayank Dagar. Thank you. Like and subscribe please.